morning. Today is day 4 of the cruise, and we are here in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. We're about to head on a tender boat that will take us to the shore because the cruise ship is too big to actually dock beside the land. See over there, those are the Norwegian breakaway tender boats, and ours have already left. So we have to keep waiting until the next one comes. Yesterday during our at sea day, my mom bought this West Cayman panoramic drive excursion for all of us. She reserved our spots on the Celebrity app and it cost $59 per adult. This is a city tour of Georgetown and you can see all of the destinations that are planned for the tour. The physical tickets were delivered to our staterooms last evening and we need to make sure to bring those tickets with us so that we can give it to our tour guide who will be waiting for us on the mainland. You will also need a tender ticket, which is your ticket to ride the tender boat. The crew will make many announcements on where, when, and how to get your tender tickets. And most importantly, make sure you have your key card because that is what will get you off and back onto the ship. We also brought our passports with us just in case something happens, but it's very unlikely that we'll need it. Make your face visible so that the crew can verify your photo after they scan their card, and if you're like me, make sure to take a gravel so that you can survive the tender boat ride. The boat has 2 floors, so there's lots of space for you to sit and you can pick any bench so that you can enjoy a nice relaxing ride. Off to Georgetown we go! Welcome to the Cayman Islands. Now that we're in Georgetown, you'll see that there are lots of taxis and people trying to sell you tours near the terminal. But we already have our excursion that we bought through the cruise line. We walked through this shopping area that was kind of empty but very nice, and there was also a free Wi-Fi and charging point. Our tender boat got here in around 10 to 15 minutes. It's really quick. So we're very early for our tour, which starts at 12:45. Now we are exploring the town before we head back to the North Terminal to meet up with our tour guide. We only ate breakfast on the ship, so we still haven't eaten lunch. Wait, look! A lucky penny! It's a bird. Cayman Islands, Elizabeth II.
Yeah.
Yay, it's a lucky penny.
Street chicken.
There's a street chicken. Oh my gosh, it is a street chicken. It's right beside the Burger King. Fresh nuggets. Look at them. Why did you say hey Google? This was just the start of my encounters with chickens in Georgetown, as they are as common as the squirrels and raccoons of Toronto. I found them everywhere. I even found one in a trash can. After hanging out with the chickens, we headed back to the North Terminal where our tender boat docked, and we found our tour guide who led us to these tour buses.
We are a British colony, okay? And we have 19 elected members in the House of Parliament. Okay, folks, this is the Conch Shell House here.
Our first stop of the tour is this Conch Shell House. It's a building made of conch shells, and inside there's like 4,000 conch shells. That's what he said. That's the magic conch.
Oh, magic conch shell.
We're here at the Tortuga Rum Company. They have rum cake and some rum. There's so many chickens. This spot had some really pretty sitting areas, and we had lots of time to go inside to enjoy the air-conditioned stores and check out their rum cakes. Well, we got a six-pack of rum cake. Whoa.
Different flavors.
What's it? Chocolate, pineapple, banana. Oh wow. Golden, original coconut, and key lime. Look, I've got a magnet. There's also an aviary. Let's see. Pigeon. That's a big pigeon. Look at all those chickens.
Alright folks, just to let you guys know that I was born and raised in hell. Besides going to Canada for 2 months, I live all of my life down here in hell. Okay, we are now entering West Bay. This is where hell is located. The sign says Hell Road.
Whoa. Welcome. So I guess this is the bad place. Who knew it would be in the tropical and sunny Cayman Islands? This volcanic looking landscape is actually limestone, also known as calcium carbonate. And we learned the reason they look like this is because the algae erodes the limestone so that it creates these black, jaggedy structures that look like they are straight from the underworld. And of course, there were so many chickens. I think I found their headquarters here because there were so many roosters and hens. There were little baby chicks running around. They were on trees. I've never seen chickens on trees. This was just amazing. My favorite part of the entire trip. Our tour guide even said if you want a chicken, feel free to take one. But unfortunately, I don't think the cruise line will allow it.
Back in the 80s, we have some more of these, and we were getting them for $150,000 at one point in time.
This is 7 Mile Beach. We get 35 minutes to hang out at the beach. But I think we're just going to take some pictures and dip our toes in the water. The nice thing about this beach is that you don't have to pay for these patio chairs or these reclining chairs and the umbrella. You just use them. A lot of other places make you pay like $10 to $15. That's it for the Georgetown tour, and now we just have to head back to the ship. By the time we returned to the North Terminal, everyone else was on their way back to the ship, so of course there was a long line to get onto a tender boat. Crew members were giving out cold towels and water as we waited in the heat, and eventually we did board our tender boat so that we can head back to the ship. What's on the menu?
What's on the menu?
chain and ring. 1, 2, 3.
We are in the solarium around 8:30 p.m. Most people are out eating dinner, so it's just us. Just us here. We haven't gone swimming yet, so maybe we'll try going when there's nobody around. Today was a great day in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. Tonight we got this note. It says that we're invited to the sail-in viewing from the helipad. So we have to go to that tomorrow. The tour we did was really fun and it was pretty relaxing. This was the souvenir we got. Rum cake. Lots of different flavors, 6 different flavors. Usually we always book excursions through the cruise line because that's safer, and there are lots of tours from people who just meet you at the dock. A lot of people also took those tours, but my mom always recommends to book through the cruise line so that there aren't any unforeseen circumstances. Tomorrow we probably aren't gonna do an excursion, but it'll be fun to visit Costa Maya for the first time. Anyway, that's it for day 4. We will see you tomorrow in Costa Maya, Mexico. Bye!